If you want to add in different elements in between your videos, then you can add in cards. So I'm in the section where I have added in the details and I have clicked next onto the video elements. And the center option is to add an end screen, and we have covered that up in the previous video. So in this video, we're going to cover up how to add in cards. So over here, you can go around and click on add, and the option it gives is to add in videos, playlists, and channel right here, right in between the videos. So let's say, for example, you want to add in a video right here that is a part of your channel when 6 seconds goes by onto your video. So once that is done, you can click on video, and let's say this is the video that you want to keep. So you can go around, click on that, and what happens is that a link will be added in, as you can see right here. It'll appear like this. So you can see that the video will keep on playing right here, and then as it goes along, it'll appear the video that is for the example video channel will show up right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around onto other section. You can also go around, add in custom message to the video right here, and a teaser text as well, prompting others to click on the video. So you can say, click here for part 2, something like this. So you can go around and add that in, and people will see this just like this. And they will be able to see a particular message over here, a clickable link in between the video. You can also go around, add in more cards like here, like playlists, as you can see right here. So this is an example playlist, and let's say for the playlist, I'm just going to go around, see more videos like these. So you can go around, or see more videos like this, and they will get this card right here. So the card appear as small text, as you can see, a clickable text. Then you can add in as many cards as you want. So let's say you want to show any channel, then you can go around, search any channel on YouTube, and add in links to those channels as well. So that is what you can do over here as well. So you can see that this is what you have right here, and you can go around and then display out cards just like this. And you can click on save so that the cards will be added onto the videos as well. And that is how you can add in cards to show up different links according to how you want inside of your videos from YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.